Hello friends, it is Running Kimono, and today's video we're going to talk about a new coupon policy starting on Monday, July the 26th of 2021 over at Walgreens. Shout out to Rionia21 and Orlando Coupon Queen for posting this on Instagram. I will leave their accounts below if you want to check it out and read the post a little bit more thoroughly. But I appreciate them bringing this to our attention. So we're going to just go through this piece by piece. It's not posted here on this video because the pixels, it's a photo of a photo, so it's just not the best quality. So I just kind of typed some stuff out and I'm just going to read the rest from the memo. It's just easier on my old lady eyes. But they haven't done a coupon policy change in a really long time, so this one I'm not very shocked by. And why I do believe this has teeth and it's a legit thing, here's why. Because Rite Aid did a very similar coupon policy change where 4 coupons per transaction per household per day, and they're following in suit with that. And that's the only big takeaway from this. So yeah, it's a memo that was released to store managers. So this is going to be taking place coast to coast to the United States. It's just not 3 stores in the Midwest. So basically, I just typed this out again because my old lady eyes are not the best. Okay, now I do want to point one little thing out. From what's on their website to what this memo says, the website is basically parroting the memo letter to letter. So if you want to just go to the Walgreens coupon policy, just Google it. It'll bring it right up. It says that it was updated on March the 1st of 2021, but it's more reflective that this has just been updated for July the 26th of 2021. So that's a little interesting too, that it's already a change on the website, but yet it's supposed to be effect on the 26th. As of Monday, July the 26th, stores will be accepting 4 identical coupons per household per day. So if there is no strict verbiage on it, the limit is 4 identical coupons per day per household. And then they also threw in this line, as long as there is sufficient stock. So I don't know if you're trying to clear a store with the last 4 CoverGirl mascaras. I don't know. They might deny you. But usually stores don't do that. They want the stuff sold. And does the cashier have time to leave their cash register, go and check how much is in stock to see the amount of coupons? I don't think they're going to do that, but who knows? Coupon barcodes accepted for Walgreens.com or shipped to store orders. So I'm not sure if people were getting a barcode of like a Tide and then getting the cashier to scan it from their phone, if that was happening. Maybe not. I don't know, but that seems peculiar, and I don't know what cashier would allow that sort of stuff, but I guess it possibly was happening at one point in time. Also, it has a little point here about Walgreens reserves the right to refuse or limit the use of any coupons, including if the customer's behavior becomes disruptive or confrontational, purchase are deemed not for normal household use. I find that kind of interesting. Like, it's not really their business why you're buying 4 things of toilet bowl cleaner or 4 things of toothpaste, but limits are limits. Maybe, I don't know. I don't think they'll limit people to that, but it's very bizarre, that verbiage. But I guess if somebody is becoming aggressive with their coupons, and who really does that around here? None of us. But it's in there as well, so that's kind of interesting. Maybe some stores had problems with couponers in the past. And then there's a bullet here that says why this is important. And it says the update to the coupon procedure results from hearing your concerns regarding the outdated coupon policy. Keeping our coupon procedure up to date will provide customers and store team members the needed information around how to coupon when used at the checkout. So yeah, kind of interesting there. I don't think this is going to affect most of us because a lot of us have gone digital, like all digital deals, digital coupons only. If you're on it on Sunday morning, loading your digital coupons, it's totally the way to go, with the boosters, with the register rewards, with the IVCs, stack, parrot, and with a little bit of common sense, you can make a lot happen and you can get a lot of deals every single week. So I have been trying to do my matchups digitally. I know that some of you still get inserts like in your local Sunday newspaper, but even that, there's rumors every year of, Smart Source or Savings, they're going to stop with the insert coupons, within this year. And it never really happens, but you never know when that date's coming. And if you look at the digitals that are provided on your Walgreens account or Rite Aid account or Dollar General account, they're pretty valuable. So it's nothing to really look away. And anybody with a store account and a phone can make this happen. And it's just an easier way to shop. And if you have a cashier who's just not sure, or one that really doesn't like you, it makes the shopping experience so much easier if it's 100% digital. And that's what I found, and that's why I'm a big advocate of going digital. And that's what I've been trying to do, guys, if you've noticed. So anyhow, in the comments, let me know what you think. I don't think this is a really big issue because there's not really deals on this page where it's like use 17 paper coupons per transaction. Maybe a couple years ago that was the case, but in the last probably 6 months or a year, it's been mostly digital, or a lot digital. So anyhow, let me know what you think, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.